I just placed a trade for 25% and I'm waiting for it to pull through. Okay, now this is me trying to let you guys know everybody can do this. When I say you can make 30% on a daily basis, it's quite easy. But you see, don't just think I'm just guessing. No, I just made $25. That's 25%. Now I'll try and do one more trade. I've already received my signal, so I'm only placing my trade based on the signal, the training, the practice, and everything. And anybody can do this. Anybody, absolutely anybody can do this. So I'll pause and I'll be right back once I have a sure signal. Okay, I just placed the second trade, so let's see how fast it pulled through. Okay. Can you see? Oh, it's not yet done. It's not yet done. So I'll pause. I'll be right back. Okay, so the trade has pulled through. All right. How much percentage did I just make? This is $50 under 1 minute, right? $50 under 1 minute. You need to understand. Can you do this? Yes. I've done 2 trades. I just made $50 from $100. So imagine that's 50%. Now imagine you do 30% on a daily basis. Anybody can do this. But first, hey, you have to have the necessary training. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Oh, maybe I should show you how I make withdrawals, right? Okay, I just said I should do one more trade and then I will do a withdrawal. Just one more trade and then I'll make a withdrawal. So while I wait for this trade to pull through, let me go and process my withdrawal, right? So I'll go to my cashier and I'll click on withdrawal. I'm going to be withdrawing with Perfect Money. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I lost the last trade that I made before my withdrawal. So what I just did was to place another trade, so I'm waiting for it to pull through. I think the market is reversing right now, so I'm not supposed to trade that direction anymore, but I'll be right back once this is done. Okay, so the trade has pulled through. That's why I tell you that is either you're not going to lose, you're going to lose, you're going to win, you're going to lose, you're going to win, you're going to lose, you're going to win. But the plan is to help you make more profits than losses. So let me process the withdrawal. You'll see what my withdrawal is saying. Okay, my withdrawal is reading, I have 1,300. So I'm going to be processing I'm going to be processing what is here, 1274, right? Okay, I'm going to be processing 1274. So in fact, I think I should process 13. What will I have left? 46. Okay, 13 is okay. Okay, so I'm withdrawing 13 with what? I'm withdrawing with Perfect Money. Yeah, so we have 13 free. So I can just say hi, hello. Payout. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Yes, you can. Anybody can do this. But hey, don't just go out and be trading. Doing nonsense there, you will blow your account. Don't just go and be doing that. You're going to blow your account. If you don't want to blow your account, is it that I don't lose? Of course I do lose. You can see I lost 100. I made this is 50, 70, so I still end up in profit. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.